If you're going to do Key West, you got to do it right.
We're going to Key West. We're actually going.
Most people don't realize that Key West is only a 3.5-hour ferry ride from Fort Myers Beach. There's even a full-service galley, full-service bar, flat-screen TVs, sun decks, couches, and recliners to enjoy during your voyage.
I'm going to do a Mick Ultra, a coffee, some grapefruit juice,
Bloody Mary.
Bloody Mary,
Did you get a coffee for Lona?
and another coffee. Wait, so your Bloody Mary, what do you want, spicy?
I like it spicy.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
Oh, and did I mention dolphins?
Got him! Ha ha! Yes! Oh,
From its humble beginnings as an idyllic fishing village inhabited by indigenous people to its remarkable transformation into a bustling port city influenced by the Spanish, British, and American rule, we were stoked to uncover the captivating stories of pirates, shipwrecks, and the legendary Conch Republic. This tropical paradise became a haven for writers, artists, and adventurers, leaving a lasting cultural impact. From the Ernest Hemingway House to the southernmost point of the United States, come along as we explore the island in 3 short days.
Look at that water.
That's crazy.
Sunshine in my pocket.
Sunshine in my pocket. High five.
Got our card.
Our friends were really happy about the golf cart rental, especially because the temperature felt like 108 degrees with the humidity. Then it was time to check into our Verbo, and since our friends had never been to Key West, they wanted to do the touristy stuff first. We started by going to the famous Sloppy Joe's. The girls were getting hangry, so the famous Sloppy Joe sandwiches and frozen rum runners were just what the doctor ordered. The frozen rum runners got us primed for the famous Fat Tuesdays. You have to be careful with these drinks. They're made with 180 grain Everclear. Limit 2 per person, I think. Ernest Hemingway's impact on Key West was profound, leaving an indelible mark on the island's cultural fabric. The famed author made Key West his beloved home from 1931 to 1939, and his presence still resonates today. So much so that there is a rum distillery named after him and his beloved boat, Pillar.
And we make rum right here on site, blend that with rums that we have sourced from the Caribbean, South and Central America. Blonde rum is a blend of 6 different rums. Oldest one is 7 years old, and the youngest one is coming off of our still, going through a Solera process of Kentucky bourbon barrels and Spanish Oloroso sherry cask. Do a little sniff, couple little sips, let me know what you're smelling and tasting.
After those few stops, the ladies needed some rest, so they went back to the Verbo. Troy and I continued, however, visiting the Green Street Cigar Company, Irish Kevin's, and the Whistle Bar. This pretty much sums up how our night ended.
Oh, pistachio.
Red and black. Oh, that's awesome.
When in Key West, be sure to check out Key West Cuban Restaurant. Lona and I love Cuban food, so this was an absolute must.
Mama been over here 5 years. She started over in a small little place over there 4 years ago.
Okay.
And then she opened it over here, extended over here.
Beautiful.
Yeah, only 1 year ago. Lots of work. Lots of hard work, dedication.
We get some of the plantains and stuff in there, and
You look hungover.
I am.
Is that delicious?
Our itinerary called for us to enjoy the crystal clear blue waters of Key West by going on a snorkeling adventure. There are several good options, but we chose Furry Water Adventures, and it did not disappoint. As you'll see, I almost got eaten by a shark. When in Key West, indulging in key lime pie is an absolute must. So go to Kermit's Key Lime Shop.
Welcome to Kermit's.
Oh, thank you. Are you Kermit? Nice to meet you, brother.
Don't forget to end one of your nights in Key West with a Dirtbags concert at Dirty Harry's.
Not many things better than chilling with a glass of rum punch and a cigar. Unless you're doing it in Key West at the Speakeasy Inn and Rum Bar.
Day 3 was a partial day before the boat ride back. When in Key West, you need to visit the Green Parrot and make your last stop Dante's Pool and Tiki Bar, not only because it's awesome, but because it's right next to the Key West Express.
Right here, we're at the end, on our way back.